1825 4th Street North, St. Petersburg, Florida.
Everybody, I'm here at Sunken Gardens and I'm about to go inside and have a great time. Come along on the vlog. I'll see you there.
The admission was $15 for adults. Now we're gonna head into the gift shop and see what they have in there.
And I'm going to take you guys along and you can see all the beauty here in St. Petersburg, Florida. So let's do this.
Oh, hello, yeah.
Ooh. It's not him. You're not him, huh?
So this is the selection that they had of orchids for sale. They were for various prices. Look at how beautiful. So many different colors, so many different varieties of orchids. And I did wind up finding a white orchid, but this one, I wish I would have bought that one, but I was trying to rush and there was so much people there that I just picked up something. So I went in this room and you were able to get some history of Sunken Gardens in St. Petersburg, Florida, about who the founders were, all of the beautiful exhibits, the many kinds of flowers, the types of animals. So I came in, I looked, I watched a few videos. It was very interesting, as you can see right here. That's how Sunken Gardens looked back in the day. Look at that in black and white. So let's head back outside and look at some more of the beauty of Sunken Gardens.
Look how pretty this is. Can you see all those trees up there?
Look,
Are you doing a selfie?
I'm doing a video. Look how pretty this is.
Woo-hoo-hoo! She loves it all. She'll still make a big deal out of it. She loves to spin in circles and dance. Woo! That's pretty. She's a wild girl.
I love that sound.
I can't see, it's too much sun in my face. Hello. Yeah, push them out. Leave Sunken Gardens. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.